So today, boys and girls, we are going to be learning some 4th grade math. We are going to be learning how to multiply 2-digit by 1-digit problems. So what I want you to do right now, I want you to try to work this problem out. We're going to work out 30 times 4, okay? I just want you to work that out right now, and I want you to kind of refresh your mind of how to work out 30 times 4. Think about the steps that you were taught to accomplish 30 times 4. Please do not type. Can you please write like you're supposed to? John Carlo, put the iPad down. All right, so what problem, what equation can we use to get this? We can use 3 times 4, right? So if we have the problem 30 times 4, we can use the equation 3 times 4 to help us, right? What is 3 times 4? 3 times 4 is 12. So if I have 30 times 4, what do I need to do? Just put a 0 on the end, because there's a 0 here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have 12 as my answer, but then I need to put that 0 on the end. Do you guys remember doing that? Okay, does that ring a bell? Okay, so this is the 3rd grade standard, right? This is what we did in this past year, right? Okay, in 4th grade, you guys are going to have to do 2-digit by 1-digit. Or excuse me, 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. You're going to have to do 3-digit by 1-digit. You're going to have to do 4-digit by 1-digit. And then you have to know how to do 2-digit by 2-digit. So do you see how important multiplication is? So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do the problem 26 times 3 today. Okay? So go ahead and erase, Go ahead and erase your screen. John Carlo, 26 times 3. Okay, I haven't told you to start solving it yet. Just hang on with me, okay? We're going to do this one kind of together, and then I'm going to let you do one.
I think I know how to solve it now.
Okay, so let's talk about it. What do you guys think we need to do to this problem in order to solve this answer? Hennessy, what do you think we need to do? Oh, you're getting somewhere. Hennessy says we need to do 2 times 3. What do y'all think we need to do? Do we agree with her, or do you guys have a different idea to figure this out? Think about the number 26. What makes the number 26? How many 1s are there and how many 10s are there?
2 10s.
There are 2 10s. What are my 2 10s? What number does that make? So I have the numbers 20. And I have the number 6, right? So as you can see, this is how many 10s I have. This represents my 10s value, right? 20. And this represents 6. So now that you see this, what do you guys think we need to do?
Add 3.
We need to multiply each by 3. Do you guys see that? So we need to multiply 6 times 3 and 20 times 3. I know. Okay, so we have the equations 20 times 3. And we have the number, or the equation 6 times 3. What do you guys think we're going to do next?
For 20 times 3, you can do 23 times.
Yes, or you can use the strategy we used here, right? Yes?
2 times 3.
Go ahead and solve both equations. What equation would help us with 20 times 3?
2 times 6.
2 times 3, and then add the 0. So what is 2 times 3? 6. And then add your 0. So 20 times 3 is 60.
And the other one's 18.
All right, 6 times 3 is 18. Any idea what we're going to do next?
Add them?
Why do you say that? Can you explain why you think we need to add them?
Because if we multiply them, it will take like long.
Oh, if we multiplied, it would be a huge number, wouldn't it?
Yes.
So we need to add them. What is 60 plus 18?
78. So the answer is 78.
John Carlo. All right. Do you guys think you can do another one?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to give you one more problem to start off with. You think it's easy?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to try to do 35 times 4. Okay? Go on to a new page. What? Or you can clear page. That's fine, but go ahead and get started. John Carlos, start on your next one. Think about the 2. If we have 35, what are our 2 equations going to be? All right, I like what I see with Kaylin. Kaylin has already circled 35. She knows that's 30, and she knows it's 5. Is that going to help her with her 2 equations? That's not the answer. Okay, it'll be okay. Remember, you have your 2 equations. You may make up your own problem. All right, we have a 4th grade math pro over here. He's ready to go to his next equation. If we're stuck, let's talk about the 2 equations real quick. If we have 30 and 5, that's what we're working with 35. What is my first equation going to be? 30 times 4. So my first equation, 30 times 4. You may go into your next. Hennessy, I need you to put your iPad screen down. That is, you're working with, you did 30 times 5, John Carlo. No, you do 30 and you multiply everything by 4, that second number. Okay, so we have 30 times 4. What is my second equation? 5 times 4. Hennessy, 5 times 4, you don't put that 0 right there.
Oh, right.
Because it's not 50 times 4. All right, so once you do 30 times 4 and 5 times 4, what are you going to do? Once you get this answer and this answer, what are you going to do? You need to add them to get your final answer. It's easy. Okay. You got the right answer? We'll check it in just a second. All right. Sweet girl, your answers aren't right, honey. What's 3 times 4? Remember, you're using 3 times 4 for 30 times 4.
It's the same thing as the top.
What is 3 times 4? 12. Hennessy, what do we put at the end? A 0 at the end because there's a 0 on 30, okay? If I have 5 times 4, what is 5 times 4?
4 is 2.
What is 5 times 4? 20. After I have 120 and 20, what do I do? What do I do? I add them up. What's 120 plus 40?
140.
140. Questions?
No. 100.